Hello students, welcome to Sri Jayendra's Rank Zone classes. I am your friend and mentor for coming classes with respect to business mathematics and statistics. This is lecture number 32, chapter number 7, sets, relations and functions. In this lecture we will study about the types of relations. Different types of relations. Let S is equal to ABC be any set, then the relation R is a subset of the product set S cross S. First, if R contains all ordered pairs of the form AA in S cross S, then R is called reflexive. In a reflexive relation, A is related to itself. For example, is equal to is a reflexive relation for A is equal to A is true. Second one is, if AB belongs to R, BA belongs to R, for every AB belongs to S, then R is called symmetric. For example, A is equal to B, B is equal to A, hence the relation is equal to is a symmetric relation. Third one is, if AB belongs to R and BC belongs to R, A, C tends to R, for every ABC belongs to S, then R is called transitive. For example, A is equal to B, B is equal to C, ultimately A is equal to C. Hence the relation is equal to is a transitive relation. A relation which is reflexive, symmetric and transitive is called an equivalence relation, or simply an equivalence. Is equal to is an equivalence relation. Similarly, the relation is parallel to on the set S of all straight lines in a plane is an equivalence relation. For equivalence relation must be reflexive, symmetric and transitive, called an equivalence relation. Okay. So next one is illustration. The relation is parallel to on the set S is first reflexive since A parallel A, for A belongs to S. Symmetric since A parallel B, B parallel A. Transitive since A parallel B, B parallel C and ultimately A parallel C. Hence it is an equivalence relation. Domain and range of a relation. If R is a relation from A to B, then the set of all first coordinates of elements of R is called the domain of R, while the set of all second coordinates of element of R is called the range of R. First coordinates of elements of R is called the domain, and the second coordinates of the elements of R is called range of R. So domain R is equal to A, B belongs to R, and range R is equal to B, AB belongs to R. A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to 2, 4, 6. Then A cross B is equal to 1, 2, 1, 4, 1, 6, 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 6, 3, 2, 3, 4 and 3, 6. By definitions, every subset of A cross B is a relation from A to B. Thus, if we consider the relation R 1, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, then domain of R is equal to 1, 3 and range R is equal to 2, 4. First coordinate 1, 3, 2 and 4. Here we write only for one time. From the product set xy 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1. From the product set xy 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1. The subset 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 defines the relation is equal to the subset 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2 defines is less than the subset 4, 3, 3, 2, 4, 2, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1 defines is greater than the subset 4, 3, 3, 2, 4, 2, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 defines to greater in greater than or equal. Illustration. A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to 4, 6. Then A cross B is equal to 1, 2, 1, 4, 1, 6, 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 6, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 6. If we consider the relation 1, 2, 1, 4, 3, 4, then domain R is equal to 1, 3 and range 2, 4. Here the relation is less than. Identity relation. The relation I is equal to A belongs to capital A, is called the identity relation on A. Illustration. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Then I is equal to 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Inverse relation. If R be a relation on A, then relation R inverse on A defined by R inverse is equal to BA. AB belongs to R is called an inverse relation on A. Clearly, domain R inverse is equal to range R and range R inverse is equal to domain R. Illustration. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3. R is equal to 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2. Then R being a subset of A in cross A, it is a relation on A. Domain R1 is equal to 1, 2, 3 and range R2, 1. Now R inverse is equal to 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3. Domain R inverse is equal to 2, 1. Range R and range R inverse is equal to 1, 2, 3 is equal to domain R. Vice versa. Illustration. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Then R1 is equal to 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2. Is reflexive and transitive but not symmetric. Since 1, 2 belongs to R1 but 2, 1 does not belongs to R1. R2 is equal to 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1. Is symmetric and transitive but not reflexive since 3, 3 does not belong to R2. R3 is equal to 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2. Is reflexive and symmetric but not transitive since 1, 2 belongs to R3 and 2, 3 belongs to R3 but 1, 3 does not belong to R3. Next one. Types of relation in problems and solution using the Venn diagram. First, out of a group of 20 teachers in a school, 10 teach mathematics, 9 teach physics and 7 teach chemistry. 4 teach mathematics and physics, but none teach both mathematics and chemistry. How many teach chemistry and physics? How many teach only physics? Here, total group of 20 teachers, okay. 10 teach mathematics, 10 teach mathematics and 4 teach mathematics and physics. So, 4 combined with maths and physics, 4. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. Here, 9 teach physics, 4 teach mathematics and physics, minus 4. How many teach chemistry and physics? Chemistry and physics, x. So, minus x. C, chemistry, C for chemistry. 7 teach chemistry. And how many teach chemistry and physics? X. So, 7 minus x. Let x be the number of teachers who teach both physics and chemistry. 9 minus 4 minus x plus 6 plus 7 minus x plus 4 plus x is equal to 20. So 22 minus x is equal to 20. X is equal to 2. Hence 2 teachers teach both physics and chemistry and 9 minus 4 minus 2 is equal to 3 teachers teach only physics. A survey shows that 74% of the Indians like grapes, whereas 68% like bananas. What percentage of the Indian like both grapes and bananas? Let P and Q denote the set of Indians who like grapes and banana respectively. Then N of P is equal to 74, N of Q is equal to 68. N of P union Q is equal to 100. So N of P intersect Q is equal to N of P plus N of Q minus N of P union Q. 74 plus 68 minus 100 is equal to 42. Hence 42% of Indians like both grapes and bananas. In a class of 62 students, 40 students like maths, 36 like science and 24 like both the subjects. Find the number of students who like maths only, science only, either maths or science or neither maths or nor science. Aim, students who like maths and A, student who like science. n of m is equal to 40, n of s 36, and n of m intersect s is equal to 24. N of m minus n of m intersect s is equal to 40 minus 24 is equal to 16. It is the number of students like maths only. N of s minus n of m intersect s is equal to students like science only. So 36 minus 24 is equal to 12. N of m union s is equal to n of m plus n of s minus n of m intersect s. 40 plus 36 minus 24 is equal to 52. Number of students who like either maths or science. N of m union s complement is equal to 60 minus n of m union s. 60 minus 52 is equal to 8. Number of students who like neither maths nor science. Now, take a look on summary. A set is defined to be a collection of well-defined distinct objects. This collection can be listed or described. Each object is called an element of the set. We usually denote set by capital letters and their elementary by the small letters. Singleton set, which have one element, is called singleton. One element is called singleton set. Equal set. Two set A and B are said to be equal, written as A is equal to B if every element of A is in B and every element of B is in A. Universal set. The set which contains all the elements under consideration in a particular problem is called the universal set, denoted by S. Suppose that P is a subset of S, then the complement of P, written as P complement or P dash, contains all the elements in S but not in P. This can also be written as S minus P, where S minus P, X belongs to S, X does not belongs to P. If A and B are two sets, then n of A union B, n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersect B. If A and B are disjoint sets, then n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B. N of A intersect B is equal to 0. So it is n of A, n of B minus 0, so is equal to n of A plus n of B. For three sets P, Q and R, n of P union Q union R, n of P plus n of Q plus n of R minus n of P intersect Q minus n of Q intersect R minus n of P intersect R plus n of P intersect Q intersect R. When P, Q and R disjoint sets, so n of P plus n of Q plus n of R, whereas n of P intersect Q is equal to 0, n of Q intersect R is equal to 0, P intersect R is equal to 0, and n of P intersect Q intersect R is equal to 0. So last we will get n of P plus n of Q plus n of R. Equivalent set. Two finite sets A and B are said to be equivalent if n of A is equal to n of B. Number of A set A is equal to the number of set B. Power set. The collection of all possible subset of given set A is called the power set of A, to be denoted by P of A. A set containing n element has 2 raised to n subsets. A set containing n element has 2 raised to n minus 1 proper subsets. Ordered pair. Two elements A and B listed in a specific order form an ordered pair denoted by A, B. Cartesian product of set. If A and B are two non-empty sets, then the set of all ordered pairs A be such that A belongs to A and B belongs to B is called the Cartesian product of A and B, to be denoted by A cross B. Thus A cross B is equal to AB, A belongs to A and B belongs to B. If A is equal to phi or B is equal to phi, we define A cross B is equal to phi. Relation and function. Any subset of the product set xy is said to define a relation from x to y, and any relation from x to y in which no two different ordered pairs have the same first element is called function. Let A and B two non-empty sets, then a rule of correspondence F which associate to each element x of A unique element denoted by f of x of B is called function or mapping from A to B, and we write f function A tends to B or A to B. The element f of x of B is called the image of x, while x is called the pre-image of f of x. Let f A tends to B, then A is called the domain of f, while B is called the codomain of f. The set f of A is equal to f of x, x belongs to A, is called the range of f. 1 function. Let f A tends to B if different elements in A have different images in B, then f is said to be a 1 or an injective function or mapping. Onto or surjective function. If every element in B has at least one pre-image in A, then f is said to be a onto function. If f is onto, then corresponding to each y belongs to B, we must be able to find the least one element x belongs to a such that y is equal to f of x. Clearly f is onto if and only if range of f is equal to B. Bijection function. 1 and onto function is said to be bijective. It is also known as 1-to-1 correspondence. Identity function. Let A be a non-empty set, then the function I defined by A to A, I of x is equal to x for all x belongs to A, is called an identity function of on A. It is 1-to-1 onto function with domain A and range A. Into function, let f A tends to B. There exists even a single element in B having no pre-image in A, then f is said to be a into function. Constant function. All the elements in A have the same image in B, then f is said to be a constant function. Equal function. F and g are said to be equal, f is equal to g. If they have the same domain and they satisfy the condition, f of x is equal to g of x for all x. Inverse function. Let f be a 1 onto function from A to B, y be an arbitrary element of B, then f being onto. There exists an element x in A such that f of x is equal to y. A function is inversible if and only if 1 onto. Different types of relations. Let S A B C be any set of the relation R is subset of the product set S cross S. If S is equal to ABC be any set, then relation R is a subset of the product set S cross S. If R contains all ordered pairs of form AA in S cross S, then R is called reflexive. For example, is equal to is a reflexive relation for A is equal to A. AB belongs to R, BA belongs to R. For every AB belongs to S, then R is called symmetric. For example, A is equal to B, B is equal to A. AB belongs to R, BC belongs to R, then ultimately AC tends to R. For every ABC belongs to S, then R is called the transitive. A is equal to B, B is equal to C, then A is equal to C. Is equal to is a transitive relation. A relation which is reflexive, symmetric and transitive is called an equivalence relation. Similarly, the relation is parallel to on the set S of all straight lines in a plane is an equivalence relation. Domain and range of a relation. If R is a relation from A to B, then the set of all first coordinates of elements R is called the domain of R, while the set of all second coordinates of elements of R is called the range of R. Domain R. AB belongs to R. and range R B, AB belongs to R. Now exercise 7C. If A has 32 elements, B has 42 elements, A union B has 62 elements, the number of elements in A intersect B is. So here given data is n of A 32, n of B 42, n of A union B 62. So we have to find out n of A intersect B. N of A plus n of B minus n of A union B. 32 plus 42 minus 62 is equal to 2 plus 2 4 7 74 minus 62 is equal to 12. So option A is the right answer. Next one. In a group of 20 children, 8 drink tea but not coffee and 13 like tea. The number of children drinking coffee but not tea is. Here tea, coffee. 8, 7. 8 plus 7, 15. 5. Okay. Tea. And this is for coffee. Only coffee. 7. 20 minus 8 minus 5 is equal to 7. So 7 drink coffee and tea. Drink coffee but not tea is equal to 7. So option B is the right answer. The number of subsets of the set 6, 8, 11 is. Here total subset is equal to 2 raised to n. So 2 cube. Here 3 number 1, 2 and 3. So 2 cube is equal to 8. So option C is the right answer. Next one is the set V is equal to x where x plus 2 is equal to 0. R is equal to x where x square plus 2x is equal to 0 and S is equal to x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0 are equal to one another if x is equal to, here x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 2. X square plus 2x is equal to 0. X common, x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2. X square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. You can write x square plus 2x here minus sign, x square plus 2x minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x common, x plus 2 minus 1 common, x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x plus 2, x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to 1. So minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. So option A is the right answer. Are equal to one another if x is equal to minus 2. Okay. Next question. If the universal set E, x is a positive integer less than 25, A is equal to 2, 6, 8, 14, 22, B is equal to 4, 8, 10, 14, then now check with the options. A intersect B dash is equal to A dash union B dash. This is the De Morgan's theorem. So here option A is the answer. If A union B dash is equal to A dash intersect B dash available, then this is also De Morgan's theorem. So you don't require A, B or E's value, okay, or elements. Next question. If the set P has 3 elements Q4 and R2, then the set P into Q into R means, so P into Q into R means 3 into 4 into 2. 12 2s are 24. Okay. 24 elements, that is the answer. Next question. A is equal to 2 3, B is equal to 4 5, C is equal to 5 6. A cross B intersect C is equal to B intersect C is equal to, common is 5. So A into B, C 2 3 into 5 is equal to 2 5 comma 3 5. So option A is the right answer. A town has a total population of 50,000. Total population is given. So total population is equal to 50,000. N of x is equal to 28,000. N of y is equal to 23,000. So n of x intersect y is equal to 4,000. So n of x union y is equal to n of x plus n of y minus n of x minus n of x intersect y. So n of x is 28,000, n of y is 23,000 minus n of x intersect y 4,000. 28 plus 23. 51,000 minus 4,000 is equal to 47,000. So Here total population is 50,000. So 50,000 minus 47,000. 50 minus 47 is equal to 3,000. So option B is the right answer. Next question. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, B is equal to 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, cardinal number of A minus B is, here A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, B is equal to 1, 3, 6, 10, 15. Elements of A. Same way, elements of B. Here A minus B is equal to 2, 5 and 7. 2, 5, 7. So 1, 2 and 3. So cardinal number of A minus B is equal to 3. Now next, at a certain conference of 100 people, there are 29 Indian women. Total people 100. Indian woman IW is equal to 29. I men is equal to 23. Total D is equal to 4. N of M union D is equal to 24. M or D is equal to M U D. M union D. Okay. Here N of M is equal to 23. N of D is equal to 4. N of M union D is equal to 24. So here N of M intersect D is equal to N of M plus N of D minus N of M union D. N of M 23 plus 4 minus 24. 27 minus 24 is equal to 3. Total doctor is equal to, total doctor is 4. The men doctor is equal to 3. Woman doctor is equal to total doctor minus men doctor. Total doctor 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So option C is the right answer. 1 is the right answer. Next, let A is equal to AB. Set of subset of A is called power set of A, denoted by P of A. Now A number of P of A is equal to, here A is equal to AB is given. Okay. Now subset P of A is equal to psi A B AB. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now P of A is equal to 2 square. 2 square is equal to 4. So option B is the right answer, 4. Next question. Out of 2,000 employees in an office, 48% preferred coffee, 50% for like tea, 64% used to smoke. Out of the total, 28% use C and T, 32 use T and S, and 30% preferred C and S. Only 6% did none of this. The number having all the three is, so C is equal to 48 percentage, T is equal to 54 percentage, S is equal to 64 percentage, C intersect T is equal to 28 percentage, T intersect S is equal to 32 percentage, C intersect S is equal to 30%, so N of, so total 100 minus 6 is equal to 94. So N of C union T union S is equal to N of C plus N of T plus N of S minus N of minus N minus N of N of C intersect with T minus N T intersect with S minus N C intersect with S plus N of C intersect with T intersect with S so 94 is equal to 48 plus 54 plus 64 minus 28 minus 32 minus 30 plus N of C intersect S intersect T. So 94 plus 90 minus 166 is equal to N of C intersect S intersect T. So 184 minus 166 N of C intersect S intersect T. So 18 is equal to N of C intersect S intersect T. So 18% of 2000 18 into 2000 by 100. 18 to 36, 360. Question number 22. Refer to the data. Question 21. The number of employees having T and S but not C is. So here here C, T and S. T intersect with S. This one is the area intersection. T intersect S is equal to N of C intersect T intersect S. C intersect T intersect S is equal to 18%. So T intersect S is equal to 32. 32 minus 18 is equal to 48. Sorry, 32 minus 18 is equal to 14. Is equal to 14%. So 14% of 2000 is equal to 2000 into 14 by 100, 280. So the answer is 280, option B. Next, report to the data Q. Question 21. The number of employees preparing only coffee is. So here we require the employees preparing coffee. Coffee, tea and so here C intersect T is equal to 28. C intersect S is equal to 30. So here this one is C intersect T intersect S. That is 12, 18, 10, 10 plus 18 is equal to 28. 30. Here 1 is given, 12 plus 18 is equal to 30. So in the formula we put 48 minus 12 plus 18 plus so 48 minus 12 plus 18 plus 10 is equal to 48 plus 18 plus 10 minus 12. 8 plus 8, 16. 76 minus 12. 54. 76 minus, so here